Hello, greetings and welcome to the MOOC program offered by School of Management, SNIT Adur. In this session 3, we shall discuss topics preparedness and early warning systems. Disasters affect millions of people every year on personal, community or national levels. The golden rule is to be prepared. Be prepared at personal level, at home, at work, at community, and at national and international levels. Disaster preparedness refers to measures taken to prepare for and reduce the effect of disasters. It involves to predict, prevent disasters wherever possible, mitigate or lessen its impact on vulnerable population, to respond quickly and effectively, coping up with its consequences. Thesaurus gives meaning of preparedness as alertness in order to face any emergency situation effectively. Preparedness is a continuous and integrated process involving planning, mobilization, capacity development, and review. It also involves training at the personal and community levels and capacity development at personal and institutional levels. Disaster preparedness embedded with the risk reduction strategies saves lives and livelihood during any emergencies. Disaster preparedness requires sound understanding of preparedness, response and recovery needs and approaches. United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction UNISDR defines preparedness as knowledge, capabilities and actions of government, institutions, organizations, country, community and individuals to effectively anticipate and proactively respond to, cope up with, adapt or recover from impacts of hazardous events. The thumb rule in this case is make a plan, build a kit and be informed. Preparedness also means being equipped with essential supplies during any emergency. Keep them in an emergency kit ready for handy use in case of evacuation. Do you know what is emergency kit? Emergency kit is a pack used to stock essential supplies for use in any emergency. It is usually used by armed forces or civilians during any emergency situation. Do you know what are the components in an emergency kit? It contains water, food, medicines, essential cloth items, and valuables, flashlight, radio, etc. Early warning systems are extremely important step towards preparedness. Early warning systems or EWS are set of institutional capacities needed to generate and disseminate timely and meaningful warning information of the possible extreme events that may pose threat to life and livelihood. The purpose is for timely response to reduce loss of life and property. Do you know the characteristics of efficient early warning systems? An efficient early warning system must have strong technical background. It must be based on scientific observations and research. Secondly, an efficient early warning system must be people-centric. It means the dissemination of information should be in language understandable to local people. We can see that the heads of nations address common man in their own language during pandemic corona, COVID-19. Another important characteristic is that an efficient early warning system should reach the last person. That means the last mile connectivity is very important for any efficient early warning system. Alerts are issued by government institutions towards community level preparedness during anticipated emergency situations. There are three different types of commonly used alerts, such as yellow alert, orange alert, and red alert. It is commonly used based on weather forecasting, and it is also used in other appropriate emergency situations. Yellow alert is basic early warning issued to the community. People should be watchful of developing situation. Orange alert is a warning of serious condition. People should be prepared and ready to take emergency evacuation actions. For example, when COVID-19 spreads, it is orange alert that is issued for people to remain locked down at home. Red alert indicates extremely serious situation where people must take immediate action, including evacuation. During red alert, people should carry emergency kit and move to designated safety places. It is also important to strictly follow government officials and adhere to the important protocols. Another important aspect is to listen to only official authenticated information. Dear learners, we are at the close of session 3. In this session, we have discussed in detail topic related to preparedness and early warning systems. Here is an assignment for you. How do you rate applicability of social media as early warning system? Thank you for watching. We shall meet during session 4. Be prepared, be safe, and be happy.